Today I'm going to talk about some very opportune moments in life to review our auto insurance policies. I know it's nothing that we get excited very often to review, but there's a few times in life when it's probably a good idea to take a look and see if there's something we can do to improve our auto insurance. And these are the times that I've kind of pinpointed in our life when we should do this. The first one's pretty obvious, when our rates seem too high. If in discussing with other people or just looking at other rates, we discover that our rates are way too high and we can't explain this away with a poor driving record or other factors, we're probably overpaying and it's time to look at some other options. So be sure to check with an independent agent to review your policy and look at some alternatives with the best companies that are available in your state. The second time is when you reach age 55. This is when a lot of auto insurance companies begin to offer significant discounts because people's risk tends to drop significantly once they reach the age of 55, but the most important thing is that you have to be proactive. They're not going to call you to give you a discount. You have to call them and find out what's available. So the next one is not very obvious, but it's a really good time to review it, and that is when you are just barely married. It's probably the last thing on your mind at this point in time, but typically most insurance companies offer discounts to couples rather than single individual drivers once they combine on the same policy. The next time to definitely review is anytime you're about to purchase a new car. For a couple of reasons, this may actually be one of the driving points to help you make your decision as to what car to purchase, because rates can vary significantly between different vehicles, and it's definitely important to find this out before you purchase the car rather than having an unpleasant surprise later. The last time is when you're moving, and the reason for this is because insurance rates for auto can vary significantly even from one suburb to the next, and they can definitely vary significantly between rural and urban communities. If you're moving to a rural area, it's definitely a good idea to look into options because typically rates dive significantly in rural areas as opposed to suburbs. So anyways, most of these are probably fairly obvious to a lot of people, but we do tend to pass up opportunities to get discounts on auto insurance, and we need to make sure that we're on top of that. So anyways, hope you've learned something today, and have a great day.